Oh, no, no, no. Please, not today.
Is everything okay, sir? You look a little worried.
This is so embarrassing. I think I forgot my wallet. I checked my back pocket. Empty. I checked my jacket pocket. Empty.
Hey, don't panic. Take a deep breath. It happens all the time. Seriously, people forget their wallets here every single day.
Really? Or are you just saying that to make me feel better?
Maybe a little bit of both. But really, take your time. Check your other pockets. Did you bring a bag?
Let me see. I have my keys. I have my phone. I have my sunglasses. But no wallet. Ugh, I remember now. I left it on the kitchen table. I was in such a rush to buy milk and eggs.
I understand. Mornings are crazy. Well, your total is $22.50. Do you have your phone?
My phone? Yes. Why?
Do you use Apple Pay? You can tap your phone right here on the machine. You don't need the actual card.
Oh, right. I always forget about that technology. I am a little old-fashioned, I guess. Let me try.
There we go. Approved. See? No problem at all.
Whew, you really saved the day. I was ready to leave the groceries and run away.
Please don't do that. Then I have to put the milk back in the fridge. Have a wonderful day, sir.
You too. And next time, I promise to bring my wallet. Bye.